The FCP18-03 is a phase relay which can provide protection against phase loss, phase reversal, over-under voltage, and asymmetry. It can monitor three-phase 3-wire or 4-wire circuits. It is widely used in scenarios such as monitoring the voltage of mobile three-phase equipment, providing personal protection and reverse phase protection for equipment, and supervising the power supply voltage of machines and equipment. 5 seconds after the phase relay is powered on, the relay starts to detect. Under all normal circumstances, the output R is closed. Both the phase status and relay status indicator light. If there is a phase loss, the output R will open. Meantime, the phase status and relay status indicator light will turn off. In the case of phase sequence error, the output R will open. Meantime, the relay status indicator light will turn off and phase status indicator flashes. If the voltage is higher than the set over voltage value or lower than the set under voltage value, the timing period TT starts. When the voltage returns to normal, the output R will be closed again. If the asymmetry of the phase voltages reaches 8%, the output R will open. When powered on for the first time, all parameter LED will blink when no parameters are set. Set the voltage to 220 volts. Over voltage ratio to 10%. Under voltage ratio to 15%. TT to 0.1 seconds. Press and hold the button to save the parameters till the parameter LED stop blinking. 5 seconds after power on, when everything is right, the output R will be closed. When the voltage rises to the over voltage value, the output R will open after a delay of 0.1 seconds. When the voltage is lower than the over voltage value, the output R will close. When the voltage drops below the under voltage value, the output R will open after a delay of 0.1 seconds. When the voltage is higher than the under voltage value, the output R will close again. Press and hold the button to make the parameter LED blink. Set to TT to 6 seconds. Saving the parameters. When the voltage rises to the over voltage value, the output R will open after a delay of 6 seconds. When the voltage is lower than the over voltage value, the output R will close. When the voltage drops below the under voltage value, the output R will open after a delay of 6 seconds. When the voltage is higher than the under voltage value, the output R will close again. When the L1 is disconnected, the output R will open. When L1 restored, the output R will close immediately. L to disconnected, the output R will open. L to restored, the output R will close immediately. L3 disconnected, the output R will open. L3 restored, the output R will close. Now, We swap the connections of L1 and L2 to cause the phase sequence error. Restart the relay. 5 seconds after power on, when the relay detects a phase sequence error, the output R will not close and the phase status indicator flashes.